Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.
AIIMS Director Randeep Guleria has noted that mild COVID cases in patients are turning into severe pneumonia because of strong medication. Guleria, who is a member of the National Task Force on COVID-19, said patients with mild symptoms who had consumed steroids were triggering a virus replication in their bodies, causing a drop in oxygen levels. Guleria said, "We have to understand that taking steroids at the early stage can give more stimulus to virus replication. In many cases, mild cases are becoming severe and patients are reporting severe pneumonia. Steroids have no role in the first 5 days of illness. For moderate disease, only 3 specific treatments are effective," Guleria said, and I quote, "First is oxygen therapy. Second, when the illness is moderate and oxygen saturation is low, then there is a role for steroids. Third is anticoagulants, because we know COVID-19 pneumonia is a little different from viral pneumonia and promotes the clotting of blood. There could be blood clots in lungs resulting in a drop in blood saturation. Again, in mild illness, there is no role for anticoagulants," Guleria said. He also noted that people were getting CT scans on getting a positive report and even getting them done 3 to 4 days repeatedly, exposing the body to harmful cancer-causing radiation. He also observed that even in asymptomatic patients, 30 to 40% of them would show lung patches, but these recover on their own.